3 sessions won't fix you. 5 sessions won't fix you. That miracle is stretch, not gonna fix you. And I'm tired of people lying to you about it. The internet is full of such videos suggesting they're gonna be fixated quickly, those quick stretches, those miraculous cures. You know what's common in all of them? They don't last long. So here, today I'm going to tell you the harsh reality, the truth behind how much timeline it actually requires to fixate the pain that you're going through. Yeah, not to just disappoint you, but yes, to make you aware of what problems people are facing despite doing those exercises. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Flexify Me. This is Dr. Priya. Let's begin. So let's talk week wise. Week 1, new treatment feels promising. Week 2, some relief. Week 3, the pain comes back. Week 4, back to square 1. Week 5, shift to a new treatment. And this whole time you're only thinking about what's wrong with me and why can't I find a permanent solution for this. Nothing's wrong with you. The problem is the approach. Quick fixes target symptoms, give temporary relief, don't address the root cause. Real recovery finds the dysfunction, fixes the pattern, creates permanent change. Guess which one takes longer and guess which one actually works. So let me just show you what 6 months of real recovery looks like, month by month. No shortcuts, only the truth. This is finding out what's actually wrong phase, which involves first postural analysis, second clinical assessment, third functional screening. And then people say, wait, you're looking at my knees for my hip pain? Yes, because that's where your problem actually is. Manual therapy, facial release, spinal decompression, cupping, dry needling. We're unlocking restrictions, releasing the tension and creating space for new movement. Here's what you need to know about the first month. You might not feel dramatically better yet. You might feel a mixed emotion of some relief and a little bit of frustration, a little bit of confusion. Think of it like renovating a house. Before you start renovating, you need to break down, you need the demolition process. It doesn't look pretty, but yeah, that's building foundation. That's what the first month looks like because you are proceeding towards the healing phase. Month 2 and 3, this is when it gets real. This is when most of the people quit. Mobility drills, corrective exercises, breathing mechanics. And let me be brutally honest, this is hard. Not because the exercises are complicated, it's because you're fighting years of muscle memory. Let me give you a simple example. Think of your old movement to be a highway and your new movement to be a dirt road. Your brain wants to use the highway. Why? Because it is quick, it's easy, it's automatic. You have to fight it each day, each rep, each set. This is where people say, I have been doing this for 2 months, I should be better now. But here's what they don't understand. Your tissues are changing faster than your nervous system. Your muscles may be strong, your tissues might be mobile, but your brain hasn't programmed the movement yet. And then something shifts. The pattern starts to click. You catch yourself moving correctly without thinking about it. The good days start outnumbering the bad days. You are not pain-free 100% of the time, but you can see that something is shifting. This is when it gets fun because we're not treating the dysfunction, we are building resilience. Your patterns are improving and now your body starts to trust yourself. You can start loading those new patterns. And how are we going to do that? With resistance training, with functional movements, with clinical Pilates. So here's the difference. Before, exercise caused pain. Now, exercise makes you stronger because you're moving correctly and you're loading the tissues that are ready. So after you have done all that was necessary, you start feeling good, you start sleeping better, you start doing activities that you were initially not able to do. But, and this is crucial, you're not done yet. This is where it all comes together. Your movements become more automatic. You do not have to think about engaging your core anymore. Your body does it for you. This is the goal now. Independence. You do not require a physio 3 times a week anymore. You just need to do a 15 minutes maintenance exercise all by yourself because now you know how your body works. Here's the difference. Month 1, you couldn't move without pain. Month 6, you're able to run a 10K marathon pain-free. Not managed, not taken care of, but resolved. Is this timeline perfect for everyone? No. Some people progress faster, some take a little longer. But here's the choice. Option A, take care of your symptoms temporarily. Option B, identify your root cause and treat it permanently. 6 months feels longer when you're hurting. But you know what feels longer? 6 more years with painful life. If you're done with quick fixes and need a permanent solution to your problem, check the link in the description and get your comprehensive assessment done at FlexifyMe, where we do your root cause analysis and give you your personalized plan. Quick fixes feel good in the movement, but real recovery changes your life. So choose wisely.